Welcome to Karishma Finishers, the leading electroplating company in India, having more than 25 years of experience in metal finishing using state-of-the-art technology. Karishma Finishers strives to be the most sought-after metal finishing company in India by providing exceptional electroplating solutions for all your products. We have two state-of-the-art fully functional plants at Gurugram, Haryana. Both the facilities are equipped with cutting-edge coating technologies. The newly established facility specializes in zinc electroplating for various types of metal parts. Whether you have million small parts that need protection from corrosion or just need improved appearance, we can make it happen with quality and consistency. Since its inception, the unit operates as an efficient, modern manufacturing facility for electroplating as per industry standards. Unit 1 is fully capable of doing zinc electroplating, nickel electroplating, chrome electroplating, silver electroplating, liquid painting, copper electroplating, cadmium electroplating, gold plating, powder coating and machining, and zinc nickel plating. We are determined to do the best electroplating job for our customers. As a part of the strategy to expand manufacturing operations, Unit 2 was started in the year 2018. It is a greenfield project under the technical guidance of MSIL. We have an excellent infrastructural setup with new machines which acts as the driving force for us in achieving our objectives and ensuring that we stay in sync with the changing times. KFPL is fully equipped with advanced and computerized testing machines in our lab facilities where we perform all the material testing and analysis. We have NABL certified labs. The durability of coating is determined by its thickness and aggressiveness of the operating conditions. One of the common types of tests for assessing the corrosion resistance of coatings is the salt spray test. The final coated parts are exposed to salt in SST chamber for a specific duration to check its endurance. XRF machine provides rapid elemental analysis of the thickness and composition of single or multi-element metal coatings.
At KFPL, customer satisfaction has always been our top priority. We have been constantly doing technological advancement and improving the quality system to fulfill the expectations of our esteemed clients. This has enabled us to build a long-term relationship with our clients. With my dedicated team, we will be able to achieve all the future targets and head towards a brighter future.
Incoming inspection and loading. In this process, the raw material is checked thoroughly by manual process. Rejected parts are sent back to the customer, while the OK parts are then passed on to the loading stage. The parts are then loaded onto the racks or barrels for further treatment. Rack plating is generally used for larger parts which are affixed into the metal hangers and then submerged into the tank containing the plating bath. Whereas barrel plating is used for smaller parts in which the parts are put in a barrel and rotated to provide a uniform finish. The first step is to clean the substrate. Any contamination on the surface of the metal will prevent the electroplating coating from properly adhering to the substrate. An alkaline detergent is used to clean the surface, soaking the metal in a soap cleaning solution for 3 to 6 minutes. And 60 to 70 degrees Celsius temperature is generally maintained to get rid of most of the oil from the part's surface. After soaking, further cleaning is done via anodic cleaning process. At the cathode or anode end of the metal, an electric charge is applied, producing the release of oxygen or hydrogen from the solution that cleans the material's surface from all the dirt and grease at microscopic level. After the above cleaning is done, the part or material is rinsed through two cascade water tanks. The pH value of the cascade water tank is continuously maintained and is frequently checked with pH paper. This step is important as it removes the excess remains from the part after alkaline cleaning. To finish the preparation of the substrate, it goes through a process called acid pickling, which consists of submerging the metal into various acid solutions in order to remove oxides and scales which were formed on the metal during manufacturing, storage and handling stages. After this, the part is again rinsed with cascade water tanks. The electroplating process requires a specialized electrolyte solution for the substrate to be immersed into. The plating bath consists of a metal ionic solution as well as other chemicals which assist in the process. The proper solution helps produce the required chemical and physical properties of the finishing plating and are often categorized into two types of baths. Acid zinc baths are an efficient method of plating as they are fast and superior in covering, whereas alkaline NaOH zinc baths are slower but they produce a better thickness distribution and ductility. After the above process, the metal is ready for electroplating. While in the alkaline bath, an electrical DC current is applied to anode for a set duration of time, which results in the zinc ions depositing onto the cathode. The flow of electricity has to be uniform for achieving even zinc electroplating coating. After this, the material is rinsed through water where the pH of the water rinse tank is very high whereas the temperature is very low. After the above process, the material goes through bright dip in nitric acid with low concentration to neutralize the part completely and is then rinsed through water to get rid of the excess acidic dip. This stage is done to improve the appearance of the material. Passivation helps to improve plating life. After this, the material is rinsed thoroughly with water to remove the remains of passivation process. After the rinsing is done, the zinc-coated substrate is passed through air circulation and drying oven. If additional protection is required, passivates and sealers can be applied after rinsing. Final treated parts are unloaded from the hangers or barrels. All are then inspected for plating thickness and other inspection. NG parts are sent back for rework treatment. After that, parts are sent for curing for further durable inspection. The OK parts then undergo performance testing and later packed and dispatched to the respective customers. We at Karishma Finishers give safety the first priority over every other thing. We received 100% score green in fire safety assessment by Maruti Center of Excellence.
My partner late Sri Deepak Chadha and me started this company in 1992 with only a capital of rupees 10 lakhs. With our dynamic visionary and quality of leadership, the company recorded a growth of 6,600% in the last 20 years.
Our employees are the heart and soul of this company. We at Karishma Finishers care and place the highest value on each and every single one of our employees. We have also started Kaizen Awards for our employees, which have enhanced the overall work efficiency of employees, and that has led to our best services offered to our clients. In our dojo center, workers are trained again and again till he or she gains perfection in each task. A safety culture is inculcated since the beginning. Regular internal trainings helps in educating employees about new technological advancements. We believe in maintaining a litter-free environment. Latest technology and processes ensure that zero damage is done to the environment. Our corporate social responsibility (CSR) approach aims to make a difference in the communities which allow us to take part in building a sustainable future. The company endeavor to make CSR a key business process for sustainable development. We have contributed by means of donation to various NGOs. Karishma Finishers, the most sought after electroplating company in India.